Business Review, among many others. In addition, he serves on 13 editorial advisory boards and is the editor of the H. Kent Baker Investment Series at Emerald Publishing. Professor Baker is internationally known for his work in behavioral finance, survey research, and dividend policy. He has consulting and training experience with more than 100 organizations in the United States, Canada, and Europe. He has received numerous research, teaching, and service awards, including the American University Scholar Teacher of the Year and Southern Finance Association's 2019 Distinguished Scholar. Professor Baker has a BSBA Management from Georgetown University, an MBA Finance, MED Educational Administration, and DBA Finance from the University of Maryland, and an MS Quantitative Methods, MA Training and Career Development, PhD Educational Administration and Organizational Development, and PhD Counseling and Student Development from American University. He is also a professional musician who plays 5 instruments and has recorded and toured. Hunter M. Holzhauer is the Robert L. McClellan and UC Foundation Associate Professor of Finance in the Rollins College of Business at the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga. Professor Holzhauer is an award-winning professor in research, teaching, and service. Since 2013, he has published 16 peer-reviewed articles and authored 7 book chapters on socially responsible investing, behavioral finance, and alternative investments. Professor Holzhauer has published in the Social Responsibility Journal, Journal of Investing, Journal of Applied Finance, Journal of Risk Finance, and Journal of Behavioral and Experimental Finance. He teaches investments, financial analysis, portfolio management, and behavioral finance. Professor Holzhauer also is the creator and director of the Student Managed Investment Learning Experience, SMILE Fund, and the faculty advisor of 2 smaller student-managed funds totaling about $1.5 million in assets under student management. He serves as the faculty advisor for multiple award-winning student investment teams at the regional and global levels. Professor Holzhauer is currently a board member for the Southern Finance Association, an investment committee member for the nonprofit Community Foundation of Greater Chattanooga, and a founding board member for the nonprofit Mario Foundation. He previously was a credit analyst with Colonial Bank and a financial planner and fixed-income portfolio manager with AmSouth Bank. Professor Holzhauer received a B.S. in Business Administration and Biopsychology from Birmingham Southern College, an MBA from Mississippi State University, and a Ph.D. from the University of Alabama. John R. Nofsinger is a professor of finance and dean of the College of Business and Public Policy at the University of Alaska Anchorage. He is an award-winning book author who has written or edited 15 finance trade books, textbooks, and scholarly books. Professor Nofsinger is a prolific scholar who has published 73 articles in prestigious academic and practitioner journals. His research appears in the Journal of Finance, Journal of Financial and Quantitative Analysis, Journal of Business, Journal of Business Ethics, Journal of Corporate Finance, Financial Analyst's Journal, Financial Management, and Journal of Banking and Finance, among many others. He is most widely known in behavioral finance, socially responsible investing, and the biology of finance. Professor Nofsinger runs Finance ESP, Education Scholarship Practice, financeesp.com. He has been quoted or appeared in the financial media, including the Wall Street Journal, Financial Times, Fortune, Businessweek, Smart Money, Money Magazine, Washington Post, Bloomberg, Nightly Business Report, CNBC, and other media from the Dolans to MarketWatch. Professor Nofsinger has a BSEE from Washington State University, an MBA from Chapman University, and a PhD Finance from Washington State University. He was a Spartan trifecta obstacle course racer and a 5-time Ironman.